Attention property managers. Will paperwork ever end? Well, probably not in the short term. So do you want to save time, money, and paperwork headaches? We can help. You will find the next few video minutes very helpful. Paper is the middleman demanding your time and your money. What does it offer in return? Errors and headaches. Did you know that Americans waste more than 9 million hours daily looking for lost or misplaced paperwork? And then when you find it, you have to copy it, and you have to staple it to something else, and then you have to file it. Well, this is not only time-consuming, it's costly. But you have to collect data, and it has to be recorded. As a property manager, you must have accurate information. So let's start at the beginning. Let's talk about one critical aspect of your data collection process, the property inspection. I'm Vicki Locke, and I'm with Mobile Touch Now. We build mobile solutions designed for property managers to help convert paper into productivity and profit. Now, most businesses still rely on paper forms to collect data. We offer an easier, quicker, and more accurate way of collecting the data you need for pre- and post-move-in inspections and other processes. Why not use your own customized mobile app with features to capture, store, and analyze your data? So let's look at the typical inspection. Generally, the inspector shows up at the inspection site with their clipboard and their forms, but we recommend you substitute those forms for something else. Your own unit inspection app, along with all the features that are going to enhance your inspection report. So the inspector goes about his business or her business inspecting as usual, but now they're recording information using check boxes, menus. They're actually collecting photographs that are attached to and part of the inspection report. There are GPS coordinates that can verify where the inspection actually took place. Date and time stamps verify when the inspection took place. Now here's the value here. You also have digital signatures, and that means that the inspector and or the renter can also sign the inspection report with their finger on a smartphone while they're still at the inspection site. So this is how we see the process working for you. We build you a mobile application that you download from Google or iTunes. That application is then set up for all of the users, your inspectors, and your staff. We set up the user IDs and passwords, and they use the smartphone loaded with the app to conduct their on-site inspections. Now, once that inspection is completed and submit is pressed, that inspection report is sent via email instantaneously to a central location and any other email address that you would like to have it distributed to. At the same time, the data from the inspection report is actually captured in a secure database in the cloud. Now, that secure database makes it possible for us to do data analysis and also for you to export the data, which you can do, and then integrate it and manage it as you would other processes. But what's the use of having data if it doesn't tell you very much? Our team will develop customized analyses to provide you the information you need to plan repairs, conduct maintenance, to do cost estimates and budgeting. You want to know how many units require carpeting, how many units have to be repainted, how many people to assign to this scheduled work. That information can be at your fingertips. Just tell us what you need and we'll get a custom tailored analysis for you, specifically for your operation. Our inspection data analysis lets you quickly estimate repair costs for labor and supplies, to project inspection workload, to schedule weekly or monthly inspections, to prioritize the work, and so much more. But the real beauty is the real-time distribution. No more chasing down inspection reports. No more waiting for the inspector to come back to the main office. When that submit button is pressed on the app on the smartphone, That inspection report is sent via email directly to the email address at the central location or other locations that you define. That means that that inspection report shows up with all of the photographs, the signatures, all of the information, and in a format that your inspectors and your reviewers are accustomed to seeing. So all of this gives that inspection report additional value for you. You actually have the best of both worlds. You have your data secured in the cloud in our storage area where you can extract it and analyze it anytime you have a need for additional information, and you have the inspection report and the mobile app right there on your smartphone and in your email box. So what are the benefits for you? Well, clearly you collect accurate, standardized, and verified data. You can produce legally defensible information. Remember, you have photographs, you have GPS coordinates, you have date timestamps, and you have digital signatures. You can eliminate data handling and save on data collection. You can streamline that entire process. And because the data is consistent, it makes for easy data analysis. So you can actually improve your operational efficiency, and the fact that when you make decisions, you can make them based on facts that you've collected. The fact that this mobile application is customizable is the real winner here, because you decide how it's going to look, the information that's going to be on it, and the idea is that it looks just like the inspection reports that your inspectors are accustomed to dealing with. So, Mobile Touch Now would love to build you a customized mobile solution. Now, our pricing is based on a one-time setup fee and a low monthly fee depending on the number of users you have. And for each of those users, we create and maintain logins and passwords. We will train your staff in mobile app operation and provide you with 24/7 customer support. Also, we can update the solutions as necessary. If there's some changes you'd like to have made to your mobile application, we make those happen for you. We actually provide you assistance in downloading the data at predetermined intervals, or we give you the information and the process for downloading yourself. We provide customized data analysis, that valuable information you'll need as a property manager to help increase productivity for your operation. For more information on our pricing and our setup, contact us today. See you on the other side.